This video shows how to install and use Voila, which is a large voice language model for real-time and autonomous voice interactions, all local, all free. In this video, you are going to discover how Voila goes beyond conventional voice AIs with customizable personas and immersive audio capabilities. I am Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Before I show you the installation, let me give you a very quick intro of this model. It's a new family of large audio language foundation model that has been designed to advance the state of human AI voice interaction. It focuses on achieving high fidelity, low latency, real-time streaming audio processing with response times as low as 195 milliseconds, faster than typical human conversation. Unlike traditional AI voice assistants that rely on modular pipelines, Voila integrates advanced voice and language modeling in a unified framework. The model supports a range of voice-driven tasks such as automatic speech recognition, text-to-speech, speech translation, and it is also capable of handling conversations in 6 languages including English, Chinese, German, Japanese, and Korean. Voila also allows the creation and customization of millions of unique voices that enables flexible persona-driven engagements. So let's get it installed and then we will see how it works. I will also be talking a bit more about its architecture later down the road. For the VM and GPU, I'm very thankful to Master Compute who's sponsoring it. This is the Ubuntu system I'm going to use and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Okay, so I'm just going to first create a virtual environment with Conda. And while it creates this virtual environment, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. Next, I'm going to git clone the repo of Voila. That is done. And now let's install all the requirements from the root of the repo. And this is going to take a bit of a time. While that happens, let's talk a bit more about the architecture of this model. So under the hood, this Voila model employs an end-to-end multi-scale hierarchical transformer architecture. This design includes a backbone LLM for semantic processing and dedicated transformer modules for acoustic information, all working together to process and generate voice responses directly from audio input without intermediate text conversion. And that is where audio tokenization is handled by the custom Voila tokenizer that extracts both semantic and acoustic tokens from input speech. This unified architecture not only reduces latency but also preserves rich vocal cues and enables nuanced natural interactions. Okay, so all prerequisites are done. Let me launch my Gradio demo. And the first time when you run this, it downloads the model. Model is downloaded and running on our local system. Let's access it. So I'm just accessing the default 7860 Gradio port and you can see that there are 3 things which you can do with it. You can chat and you can do text to speech and automatic speech recognition. So let's try them all one by one. Now for the reference voice, you can go with any of the voices they have shared, or you can just select a random voice by just clicking here. You see this is a random voice which is being selected here. So I'm just going to go with the random voice. Now instead of recording it, I'm just going to upload one of my maybe audio file from my local system and then we will go from there. Maybe I'll just ask it one question in my own voice. So this is what I'm going to ask. What is happiness? Okay, let me submit this. It is running, you see, so I'm chatting with it. Let's also check the VRAM consumption in real time. I'm just going to quickly check while it runs. So it's consuming close to 17 gig of VRAM. Okay, a bit higher for these sort of models. But anyway, so let's wait for this to get us the response back. And I think it is running, I would say, quite slow in terms of getting the response back. There you go. So took a bit of a time, as you saw it in real time. Anyway, so let's see what it says.
Happiness is a complex array of emotions, experiences, and feelings that contribute to a person's overall sense of well-being. It can be driven by a broad range of factors including social and physical health, personal achievements, financial stability, and the sense of purpose or contentment.
Yeah, not bad, I guess. I think the response is quite good, pretty well formed. So I'm happy with the response. But I think, as he mentioned, the latency is reduced, which I don't think so it is. Anyway, so let's check the text to speech. I'm just going to maybe can I use custom speech? Okay, I will just use my own voice here. I'll just upload it and then we will give it a text. So as a reference voice, I'm going to give it a female voice like this.
Then, leaving the corpse within the house, they go themselves to and fro about the city and beat themselves.
So this is a voice, and then I am also giving it this. So I'll just click change voice here. I believe it is going to change the voice, and then I am just going to click on submit. Let's see what sort of speech it produces. There you go. Already this is quite fast, as you just saw. Let me play it.
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Yep, I think it's very well cloned. Very nice. So I'm very happy with this. Let's try out a male voice. Maybe I'll just go with my own voice here. I'm just searching for a bit of a longish voice. Joy is found in simple moments of gratitude, and true contentment comes when we truly value the small. So let's click on change voice, and then let's click on submit. So voice cloning is quite fast. Let's play it.
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
I think there is a hint of my voice, but accent is Chinese. Maybe I need to give it a better audio quality. The quality of my voice was not good. So previous one was good. This one is quite average. Okay, let's do the automatic speech recognition, and I think this should be a simple one. I'm just going to select maybe this JFK one.
And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country.
Okay, let's check it out. Very quick, you see. So, and very nice. It looks quite good. Okay, let's see if it can do any other language. So I'm just going to maybe select any other language. Let me actually go to the folder. So I'm just going to go with this Spanish one. Muchas gracias por tu ayuda. Me gusta este lugar mucho. It has done it, but I'm not sure if I don't think so it is correct, and it is not definitely in the supported languages. It could very well be my accent. Okay, let's do the Chinese, and if you're a Chinese speaker, please also advise us.
院子门口不远处就是一个地铁站，这是一个美丽而神奇的景象。树上长满了又大又甜的桃子，海豚和金鱼的表演是很好看的节目。邮局门前的人行道上有一个蓝色的邮箱。
Yeah, so I'm not sure. I think it is correct, but please advise me if you are that language speaker. And now let's do the French one.
Bonheur, n'est-ce pas le doux bourdonnement d'une vie bien vécue, une symphonie des moments qui résonne d'amour, de rire et d'un profond sentiment d'accomplissement.
Interesting. Now I'm just going to chat in this language, the French one, to see how it works. So let's submit it. Let's wait for it to process. The chat takes longer. And it has come up with something. And again, if you're a French speaker, please advise.
To integrate video conferencing with software development, you can use APIs or libraries designed for remote collaboration. Some examples include tools for video.
Yeah, so it is responding it in English instead of French. So
bonheur, n'est-ce pas le double de...
Yeah, so look, it's not a bad effort, I would say, but now the bar has lifted a lot. So I think in terms of chat they could improve a lot, maybe a bit also in terms of voice cloning, but other than that, not a bad effort at all. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Let me know what do you think. I have covered heaps of TTS models already on the channel, so just search and you should be able to find hundreds of them without any exaggeration. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.